Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have seen from the title of this video, today I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Plum's Rice Water Niacinamide Hybrid Sunscreen. I recently did a poll asking you guys whether or not I should review it for you guys, and a lot of you said yes. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Before I start reviewing this sunscreen for you guys, let me give you guys a little info about my skin type. I have an oily, acne prone skin and it is also very sensitive. So if you are someone who has a similar skin type like me, then this video is going to be very helpful for you guys. And I also did not do any makeup for this video. I only did my brows and I have applied a little bit of a blush just so that I look a little bit put together and not dead. This sunscreen retails for 399 rupees and you get 50 grams of product in this sunscreen. It is a hybrid sunscreen, which means it's got a mix of both chemical and a physical UV filters. Also, it is formulated with 2% niacinamide and fermented rice water. And this is how the packaging of the product looks like. I absolutely love the packaging on this one. It comes with a pump, which makes it really handy for you to pump out the product. I love a good pump packaging, you guys know that already. And I also love the color theme on this. It's got this really pretty pastel blue with white. And someone who's like really into pastel colors, who like those pastel aesthetics, then I'm sure you would love the packaging on this one. So those were the basic details about the sunscreen. Now let's quickly jump into the review bit, because I know that's what you guys have been waiting for. It is a hybrid sunscreen like I mentioned earlier, and it is formulated using two special ingredients, which is rice water and 2% niacinamide. Now niacinamide is an absolute favorite product of mine. It is one of those active ingredients that I absolutely swear by. So just to give you guys a little benefit about what niacinamide does is that it regulates your oil production. It also helps to minimize any kind of redness. It also helps to reduce your acne scars. It also helps to reduce blemishes and overall just improves uneven skin tone. And rice water is another ingredient which is really moisturizing. It soothes your skin, it protects the skin barrier, and it also helps to brighten your skin. So the claims of this product is that if you continue using it for 2 weeks straight, you will definitely notice a difference in your skin tone, with your blemishes as well, which is really good. But you solely cannot rely on this product to treat your active acne. It's gonna help a little bit, but it's got a completely different purpose because it is a sunscreen. It's not meant to act as a treatment for your skin, so just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna start by talking about the things that I really liked about this sunscreen. I like how affordable it is. It retails for only 399 rupees, and if you guys use my code, you get additional discount, which is great. Who doesn't like saving money, you know? I also love the fact that it is fragrance free. You guys know already my funda with fragrance and skincare. So yeah, I really appreciate the fact that it is fragrance free. It does not leave any white cast whatsoever, which is amazing. I mean, who wants a white cast when you're applying your sunscreen? I'm more on the fair side, so मुझे white cast से इतनी problem नहीं होती, because थोड़े time के बाद वो dull down हो ही जाता है white cast. But I know for a lot of people who are of a deeper complexion, it is an issue. So the good thing is that इसमें white cast नहीं है, so which is great. It gets another thumbs up from me. I love the finish of this sunscreen. It just gives my skin that glow. I mean, it does not make my skin oily, but it just makes my skin glow. Like, I've got nothing on my face. I only have this sunscreen and obviously my skincare underneath it. But the glow that you see, it's all because of this sunscreen. I absolutely love it. If you are someone who loves a dewy sunscreen, then I feel like this is the one for you. I have been using this product for the past week or so, and it hasn't broken me out, which is great. It has a good SPF factor, which is SPF 50, which is pretty much the highest and the most effective to prevent any sun damage from. I'm gonna get a little geeky here, okay? So please stay with me. So SPF stands for sun protection factor. Now this is what's going to determine the amount and the efficacy of the sunscreen to protect you from the harmful UVB rays. So the lower the SPF rating, like SPF 10, 15, 20, the lower the protection. The higher the SPF 50 is the highest, higher the protection from the UVB rays. Now the PA triple plus or PA plus, जो plus आता है PA के बाद, is the indication of the protection that you get from the UVA rays. So just like SPF में, the higher the number, the higher the protection. PA plus में ये होता है, the more the plus signs, the more protected you are from the UVA rays. Now I love the sun protecting factor of this sunscreen, but I would have preferred if it was PA quadruple plus. I have a lot of different sunscreens in my kit which has the same amount of SPF and provides me a high protecting factor from UVA rays, which is PA quadruple plus. So I would have preferred if this had that. I'm not saying ki PA quadruple plus bura hai, it's good, but since I'm used to using something which is more on the higher side, I would have preferred that, you know, just saying. The next thing I did not like about this sunscreen is that it does take a while to blend into your skin. Once I was done applying my sunscreen, I noticed how tacky my skin was. Like, it was so tacky. Thankfully the Mausam is not that bad as of now, but I know now that we are stepping into the summer season, it's gonna get really hot and humid. I feel like the tackiness of the sunscreen is gonna be quite a struggle for people like us who have extremely oily skin. So yeah, the tackiness is something that I didn't really like. Although it dies down, like you have to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes, but the overall feeling of that tackiness on your skin is just something that I don't like. Last but not the least, now this is one of those sunscreen which you can definitely feel on your skin. Don't get me wrong, it does not feel uncomfortable, it does not feel like heavy, but you can tell that you have applied sunscreen and you have applied something on your skin. Having tried so many different sunscreens from different brands, I know the things that I like in a sunscreen and I don't like, and these were the things that I didn't like about the sunscreen. Overall, I think this is a decent sunscreen. I think Plum should reformulate it and make it slightly better. It is good, but it's not wow, is what I'm trying to say. And if you're planning to buy this sunscreen, I would say you can go ahead, you will not be disappointed. But if you aren't, you are probably not missing out. Okay, so there you go guys, that is my short yet detailed review on this newly launched by Plum. In case if you guys like this video and found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. Help me grow my channel. I really want to grow this year. And make sure to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already, and come follow me on Instagram because I am active there the most. Come say hi to me in my DMs. I love talking to you guys in my DMs, by the way. And yeah, that's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.